Hi, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Rachel Barcebal. I'm 32 years old. I live in Tandansor, Quezon City. I have two child, 9 years old and 3 years old. I've been working for nine years as a helper here in Philippines. I do the household chores like cooking, cleaning, taking care of baby, and gardening. When I'm taking care of baby, I do change diaper, change clothes. I, I teach them how to draw and write, and I cook healthy foods for them. And I cook Filipino foods, and I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. I am hardworking and honest, loyal, and trustworthy people. If you hire me as a helper, I will I will promise you to do my best as a helper and I follow the instruction you said, and I work without your supervision, and